What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about AMD. As you can see here, AMD is sold off in the last 5 days, and we're going to go over the analysis, why it's selling off. It is down 9% in the last 5 days. Now it gets worse. Look at the 1 month. We were trading around 140, and then now you look at the 3 month, look at the 6 month. What do you notice? AMD is back to all new lows. So look at this here, 115, it's about to test, and it's forming this nice little bear flag. When you look at it on the 1 year chart, AMD was trading within 118 to 132, and now it's continuing to sell off. We are seeing buyers come in here from this 121 to 120 range, but don't be surprised if you see AMD sell off below and retest this 118 level right here. Just taking a quick look at it on the 5-year chart, it's very difficult to see where there would be a support level besides this 118 level. As you can see here, you have one touch here, but then really right here is the only other area. I think we see further downside here coming on AMD, but that doesn't mean that the stock is out of it. It just means it has intense pressure from its competitors, etc. And it's had a great run over time. But looking on a 5-year chart, just looking out on the trend line, it has broken this support level. So this is very dangerous to get into. And if you're going to buy it, I think you should keep a long-term perspective and actually look at the fundamentals of the company. Let's take a quick look. It faces intense competition, particularly from NVIDIA, which has been leading the AI forefront and the data center markets. There's concerns about AMD's ability to maintain or gain market share in these high growth areas. You got to remember that semiconductors are very cyclical, and there will be times where they outperform and underperform, which is happening right now. They talk about NVIDIA's strong performance in AI chips and data center solutions that have overshadowed AMD, leading to a sell-off in the shares. You also have to look at the overvaluation. AMD is completely overvalued. It has a super high PE ratio. So if you're looking to buy this, I'm going to show you on the charts after this where I'm looking to start dollar cost averaging in for a long-term position. You also got to look at their earnings and outlook. The earnings have not been met with lofty expectations set by their previous quarters, such as NVIDIA and such other competitors. So you have to keep that in mind as well. Let's take a look at the chart. Where would I feel comfortable buying? I want to show you this. Look at AMD's PE ratio here. 52 as of January 3rd, 2025. A P ratio of 52 is insane. That's very overvalued. You just have to be very careful when you're investing in stocks like this. Look at the chart on a grand scheme of things here. 5-year chart. Look at the RSI trading around 40, 47 to be exact right now. Definitely want to be patient here. Let's see what it does. Don't just be that buyer that goes all in at 118 because you look to your left and you got a few support levels over here. You want a dollar cost average in, that's fine. But just keep in mind, look at the trend that you are buying. All it's showing you is that it is in a downtrend and it has not broken out of this. AMD needs to get above 130 realistically, 135 to start showing signs, of a reversal here. Where I'm looking to buy and start dollar cost averaging in is looking at that nice, sweet, whole dollar, $100 a share. I'm going to start buying more shares. You have a nice little support in this area. And this was, the reason I say is you can see this was a bull flag back in the day when it had this run up from $54 all the way up to 130. Pulled back, you had your bull flag right here. And then boom, there's your green candles blasting through. You are trading the backside of this move. You need to wait and be very patient. And if you miss it, that's okay. Just dollar cost average in the S&P 500 in the meantime. But look at this. We still have some further downside that we possibly could get here. Pulling back from 120 down to 100, 17 more percent we're waiting for. And the reason you saw this bull flag form here, the support in this area from $92 to $100. And then you also right over here had the support and resistance zone right here being tested around $100. So I'm looking at AMD. I'm being patient. If it comes down to 100, I want you to think of the channel Trading Simplified. I'm going to start buying shares at $100 a share. So tell me what you think in the comments. Don't know who I am, Trading Simplified. Check out my channel. I have a couple of links for you guys. Check out my WHOP if you want a more personalized experience. You're a beginning investor, you need beginner's courses. I have all that for you, charting analysis. Check me out on Twitter, TikTok, the Gemini Referral Club if you're looking for crypto investments or you're looking to join and just get some money for that. Check out my playlist, all for free. We have the members only playlist, the crypto trading on Gemini, mastering Fidelity, index funds, ETFs investments, the Vanguard investments, if you're part of Vanguard, day trading on Fidelity, which in 2024 I made over $80,000. You can see it on my trading P&L right here of 2024. And then for beginners, go through my basics for beginners. There's a lot here, all for free, content for you. And if you're interested, check out the membership if you want to help support the channel. Really appreciate you guys tuning in to watch this video. I'll see you next time.